man's place is in the home. Men can't multitask and take care of kids. Women should always be nurturing and gentle. Men should not do household chores. Every morning, I wake up to noise. The noise of different opinions. Somewhere online, there's a post saying that feminism is about hating men.
Feminism is just an excuse to hate men? Ano naman tong post mo?
Funny, how something that means equality could be twisted into something else.
Feminist ka pala. So you think you're better than us? Mas mataas, mas nakakaangat.
Hindi kita kalaban, kuya. Hindi ito hagdanan na kesyo kung sino ang mas mataas o mas mababa. It's not about being above you, kuya. It's about standing beside you. Kasi, when I say I want to be heard, hindi ibig sabihin na gusto kong patahimikin ka. And when I say there's inequality, it doesn't mean I'm angry at you. What I'm trying to say is may timbang na hindi pantay. At pareho tayong pagod na buhatin yun. At home, I learned to stay quiet when people laugh at things they don't understand. But that silence is also a kind of noise. And this is the irony. We come to church to find peace, yet some of us find judgment. We come to seek healing, yet some of us receive wounds that are deeper than before. The church was never meant to be a place of exclusion. It was meant to be a home, a refuge for the lost, the hurting, and the rejected. If God created us all, then why do we act as if only a few of us deserve His love? If faith teaches compassion, then why do we choose condemnation? If God's arms are open, then why do ours stay closed? Acceptance should not be conditional. Respect should not be selective. And love, most especially love, should never come with terms and requirements. At the end of the day, we are all human. We all seek belonging, we all seek understanding, and we all stand equal in the eyes of the God that we claim to worship. Maybe it's time to stop using faith as a weapon. Maybe it's time to let the church be a place where everyone, every gender, every person can come home without fear. Because true faith never pushes people away. True faith pulls them closer. Closer to love, closer to healing, and closer to God. Equality. A simple word, yet so many misunderstood. Gender equality does not only apply to women and men alone.
Ano ba yan? Hindi na nahiya? Mura pa talaga sa Diyos ng ganyan.
Kaya nga tingnan mo pati yung pananamit ng isa. Naka-shorts lang. Hindi man lang binati sa sagradong lugar na to.
It also includes the LGBTQ community as well. Gender equality is about seeing every gender as equal, with equal opportunities and rights. Right to love, right to be accepted, right to be seen and treated as an equal human being, and the right to religion. If there's a place where everybody should see each other as an equal human being, it's the church. However, this was not always the case. Church oftentimes become the place to reject and push people away, especially those part of the LGBTQ community. I wonder why the most religious people are the biggest discriminator of all. Does being part of the LGBTQ community means being less worthy of God's grace? Does being gay or a lesbian exclude them from God's love? People should know the consequences of every sharp word they spit out of their mouth. Hindi nila alam na dahil sa ganitong kaisipan at diskriminasyon ay marami ang nagkakaroon ng trauma o spiritual damage pagdating sa simbahan. Kung kaya naman ay nasisira ang relasyon at pananampalataya nila sa Diyos. Again, with the discrimination, people turn a blind eye and excuses men who do the same thing that they're criticizing women for.
our new president is Mick.
People always told me that men shouldn't be emotional, that crying makes you weak, that being tough means keeping everything inside. But the truth is, I feel everything. I just don't always know how to show it. Sometimes I want to cry, to say I'm tired, or disappointed, or that I just need a hug. But I stop myself because I hear those old words in my head. Be a man. I'm starting to realize now, being a man isn't about hiding how you feel. It's about being honest enough to say you have feelings too.
Equality isn't about overpowering. It's about uplifting. It's not about being above you or anyone else, but standing beside you.